Here's the settings area for Humanagement. So you have a lot of different options here. You have your company profile, which can be a nice way to keep track of a lot of company information, like the company IN. You can set the country, which affects which holidays show automatically. So, by default, companies are usually in the US in this system, but you can always change that data if you want to. Set it to the UK, update that there. I can go back to my dashboard, and then I guess there's no holidays coming up, but then it'll display those upcoming international holidays. You can also do the company week ending. So this affects stats mostly. There's some other areas that also get affected by that, like your clock in and outs. You can put company email. You can choose which days of the week you're open, which one affects stats, but also affects your time off request when it's counting those days up for you. You can choose your purpose. So employees can click on this little navigation and they can see what the company's purpose is, which is a nice and simple way to put it there so that employees can always access it if needed. So you can edit that and change it there. You can clock everyone out. So if you're managing time with this and you have time active, you can clock everyone out. Like if you're going to have the whole office close and maybe some people forgot to, you can clock them all out. You can also set status resets. So for certain, you can control it by division, right? All the people within a certain division, you can have them clock in and out at various times, which can also be useful. This is where you activate and delete employees. So you can activate, deactivate. Also, again, depending on your permissions, you can activate, deactivate, or you can delete those employees if you want all of their information erased. You can create and manage your company divisions. Now you can also do that when you're creating, or in a lot of different areas you can create divisions, but this is that main area where you can edit them, set the color, etc. You can create additional menu links. So in here you can see custom item and monday.com. And so if you are using other software or you want links to be immediately available to employees, you can just go and add, edit, delete custom links in that menu. This is where you have your company time off settings. So you can, if you have some types that you maybe want to merge into other ones, like you used to have production time off as well as sick days, you can, or if someone created a duplicate type, you can do this merge button. Or you can select two types, and then merge them. All of the previous requests that either of those will be merged into one, so the counts will be corrected. And this is also where you can select and make different features active or unactive. So if I didn't want to use purchase request, I didn't want my normal employees to see it, I could do that, refresh the page, and now it's hidden. So unless someone's a employee type admin, meaning they're an admin of all apps, they wouldn't be able to see this hidden features area. And then this is also where you can delete your account. And if you want to go over into your billings area, you can also go into here, and this is where you can change your account or change the card on file. You can see some basic information about your billing and then manipulate your portal and all that sort of stuff. You can also change your accessibility options. So if you want to make the text bigger, or you want to change the spacing or some other things, make it high contrast depending on your needs, you can also do that. Or if you have employees who have some impairments, you can always suggest this as an area that can help them. And there you go. That is the settings and administrative areas of Humanagement.